Hello, they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about UCM, Barcelona 0 and Bayern Munich 3. And we get Timmy will be like saying a very ogbonge football fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Timmy, Barcelona don't collect for Bayern Munich 6-0 on aggregate, home and away. Now how you see this performance for both sides for this match?
The performance for Barca, Joe. No, they try, but some kind of players today, they're not supposed to the starting lineup. You watch the match where the same thing I thought said they happen to PSG like this. Barca get attackers, they get good midfielders. But that defense, first thing for football now, your defense. If you get good defense, yes, you are good to go. Liverpool now, they don't get strong attack, but their defense they try solid. If you feel even get good defense, score one goal, you are good to go. But today, their Barca defense today porous. I don't know whether that's because say Xavi come with too much attacking mindset or na the tactics where he play. But today the defense not just go at all.
You don't talk about Barcelona now and how you think say their defense no good. But what do you get to talk about Bayern Munich? How you see this Bayern Munich team as a whole? And this kind of performance, Barcelona normally, they not be small picking normally. But Bayern, you're playing and I say they be small children. Home and away, 3-3-0. How you see this Bayern Munich team?
I guess some kind of club for Champions League, they be beasts. Team like Bayern Munich, Madrid, if they like me, then they lose for league. Madrid, if they lose for league 10 match, when they reach that Champions League, see now be with die they're ready to put their body there. They go die for them, they die with you. All the Muller, they don't take her and say it did their jail. You don't even notice. Muller thought say they come. They tell you say yes, they come, but they deliver well. They really deliver. They don't call a cup plate. Nobody say they don't qualify. Nobody bobo shoes. They can't play. Yes, they play well. They deserve the win.
All right now. But how you see this one now? Barcelona now they don't fall, go down, go to the Europa League. How you see Barcelona going to the Europa League? You believe say they get chance? Say they go fit tension all the teams where they for inside the Europa League normally.
It's not so bad now. At least Europa still go see sweet small. Ronaldo dey. Now Lewandowski don go join now. All of them. The Europa go see sweet. I see to the advantage of the Europa League, but we expect say at least Barca supposed to qualify. This kind of disgrace is too much now. If you collect home and away, you not even score safe. You not even say no shot. I not even sure say they even play shot or target for the match. Oh boy, the match, the fuck up finish, the fuck up.
So with what you see now for you inside this Champions League so far, now which teams you think say they be favourite to win the UEFA Champions League this season?
First of all, I go dey bias for my first nomination. Paris Saint-Germain, because say me I be Messi supporter.
Messi fan.
Yes, number one. Number two, you no go fit write Madrid off. Number three, with form. Napoli, you see those people, everybody dey jam like this, collect, straight, defense, midfield, everything tight, you collect. 4, Man City, Man City see dey, they no dey comot those ones. Then you fit see our normal Bayern Munich, be like say normally yes, we know say no guy be. Kedi na kpokpo dem must die with you for there that day, yes, na so e be.
One last question now before I let you go, Timmy. Mbappe and Erling Haaland, who you pick?
I don't like Mbappe. Mbappe too stingy, abeg. If you dey play with Messi, I hate the boy because of the way he dey play with Messi. If you dey play with person, you dey get sense. If you dey play with Ronaldo, you for the wise. Messi too dey humble, na be wetin I just dey notice. I go pick Haaland. Haaland na team player, more of a team. Mbappe na selfish player. He too dey self-centered. He fit kill your career. All those kind of attitude. It's too bad to get him at this early stage. When Ronaldo dey young, Ronaldo see the pass, but Ronaldo dey team player, and when he come old, but no be Mbappe. No. I no go pick an Haaland. Haaland go give me my goals, give me everything. Yes.
All right, now Timmy, thank you for your time.